Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin has now reached the blue target zone. I think that's looking good for now. All we need to do at the moment is to adjust these support levels here and then just watch and observe the smaller time frame to understand when we might have a local top. But price action isn't necessarily a surprise, given that we wanted to see the price get at least in the blue target zone next. And then we are observing the 1 hour chart, for indications over top. In these situations, I will always assign certain key levels against which we can still focus on higher. I can tell you now that the microstructure is technically full in this internal third wave. That's what we wanted to see, that one more high, as per the last update. And someone asked me yesterday on Discord, we're always watching for one more high. Well, it did fill in, but I explained in yesterday's video, I think, how the analysis needs to be understood. So whether we expect another high or not, as long as support levels are holding, also on the 1 hour chart, there is no sign of a price top. So all I can say here, the analysis is unfolding, or let's say the price is following the roadmap. The idea is currently that we're moving in one of these third waves. So it's either the white scenario or the blue scenario. What's the difference? The difference is just simply that in the white scenario, we only get one more 4-5 pattern, and the next wave 4 is already a larger degree with support between 61,730 and 68,170. Whereas in the blue scenario, we could get 2 more 4-5 patterns before this move up that started in August is complete. I will keep it short today. I got lots of updates to do and it's Sunday, but quick info today, we're running our member live stream at 5 p.m. UTC. We will cover some coin requests there. Again, they are not guaranteed because there are just too many of them also in the member live stream. But if you're interested in checking it out, the link for the memberships are in the description, and we will talk about how to develop a thorough trading plan. That's the topic members voted for. So if you're interested in additional updates and so on, check it out. But that's why I said I keep it short, because I have to prepare for the live stream and so on. So I need to keep things a little bit short in the videos today, but there are still plenty of updates for our gold members on Discord. And obviously we'll have the member live stream later today. The link will be published later. And this is what we talked about in the last video. We were looking for one more high in wave 5. I explained to you this wave 4 might be short because the wave 2 was short as well, and it's now full. So now it's the thing, with a full wave count, it doesn't mean a top is in. That's a mistake. A lot of people who are new to Elliott Wave or who don't understand really the ins and outs of this analysis, a mistake that's often being made, right? That just because there is a wave label that says it could be complete, they assume the top is in. That's not the case. First, I could be wrong. That's one thing. Second, the trend is up and extensions are always possible. This fifth wave could easily extend, right? Or maybe I missed 1-1-2 setup down here, which is just invisible due to the choppy nature of the structure down here. So we don't want to assume a top as long as we are still printing higher highs and higher lows. But what the full wave count does, it tells us what's likely next. So if now certain levels break, then we assume we are in a larger degree fourth wave in white, or it would be wave 4 in blue. Until yesterday, I was watching for one more high, however, in wave 3 in white. Not anymore, okay? So if there is a pullback, I will start to assume it's the larger wave 4 or blue wave 4. There are 2 support areas. You will remember yesterday we had 3. So yesterday we expected one more direct move up. Now it's like, okay, when we get a pullback, the price could reverse from here or from here. Yeah. Always bear in mind, these are support levels, not necessarily targets. In a bullish market, pullbacks can be extremely shallow. Someone asked me yesterday, I think it was an altcoin video, however, why I would assume one pullback or something. And I did explain, you hear the dog in the background. And I did explain to him, I'm not expecting a pullback, okay? You cannot expect a pullback until, well, you can watch for one, right? It depends on how you understand to expect, but you know, we can definitely watch for one. We shouldn't be surprised by one, but we're not calling for a top until the first levels break, for example, right? Because the trend is up and it typically makes sense from a tactical point of view. I mean, the wave count can be full, but from a tactical point of view, it can still make sense to stay in the trade until there are signals of exhaustion, right? So what we're dealing with here is a 5-wave move that's technically full, but again, the 5th wave might be extending or whatever. Next level is 81,300, and the first signal of a top would be a break below the last swing low. Here we talk about 75,800. So any break below that level would be a first signal of a at least local price top. Okay, and then it would be likely that at least the support area for the blue wave 4 will be tested. And if we don't hold that, then the larger wave 4. And I explained in yesterday's video how this can be traded. Yeah, that's the update about Bitcoin. I mean, if you're interested in additional updates, feel free to check our gold membership. If you're interested in getting a personalized TA video for the coin you like, feel free to use the link in the video description or in the comment section. There's one I posted due to all these requests, which you know, there are so many. So feel free, if you need a certain update, you can follow that link with a discount code potentially if you want the video uploaded on YouTube. Today, member live stream, lots happening on Twitter. Yesterday, I uploaded a Casper video, injective video for those who are interested. So you can check that out as well. Again, lots of things happening. Oh yeah, today I'm also planning to send the weekly newsletter out. If you want to receive it, you'll find the link for the free newsletter in the description as well. Thanks a lot. Have a great Sunday. Thank you. Bye-bye.